What up, everybody? Gadget Pinoy here, and I have a problem with my Microsoft Office 365 license keys. Now, as you can see here, this product is deactivated, which means the license is no longer valid. So I need to find a way to fix this problem. The only solution is to buy a new license keys, and there's one website that I think is cheaper than buying directly from the official Microsoft website. This way, I can continue using Microsoft Office 365 without spending too much money. To do that, I'm going to use Keysfan.com. So if you are familiar with Keysfan, you're lucky you're here. So let's go Keysfan.com. I'll put the link in the description below so that it's easy for you to check it out. Now, we are now in the official website of Keysfan.com. We're going to find Office 365 license, okay? To do that, go to View More. Keysfan is a website license. It's a license store that sells license keys and software product. So if you don't know that. Now, let's find the Office 365. Let's go to the next page. Here we go. I can see it. Office 365, but this is a 5 device, okay? This is a 5 device. So as you can see, they have an Office 365 account available. Just keep in mind that they will provide you a separate account, including your email and the password. So they will send you a different account. So different email and password. It will not connected or it will not bind to your own Microsoft Office. You're gonna use different email. All right. So for example, I got this 5 device plan for 1 year because my friend and I are also having problems with Office licenses. So we're going to add to this cart and then view the cart. Now, as you can see, the regular price is around $94. And if you use my code GPI62, you can get a discount around 62% discount, depending on the product and promotion. So like for example, click this apply discount here and then type GPI62. All right, GPI62. And then apply discount. See? Now the order total is only around $36. So from $94, it's discounted for 62%. Now it's $36. And then this is 5 devices. Okay, this is 5 devices, 5 accounts. So with this option, you will receive the account details, including your email and the password. So you can use the subscription for 1 year according to the plan you purchase. Okay. Now we're going to wait the email of Keysfan. They should send the account informations and password after order is processed. I'm going to order this one. I'm going to proceed to checkout. And I'll come back maybe 2 minutes. All right, so I got the email and the password already. So Keysfan sent me the account. We're going to try if it's working or not working. Let's see, okay? So now there's 3 choices here: manage account, switch license, and update license. I'm going to switch license, all right? Going to sign in, and then I'm going to sign in the email that Keysfan gave it to me. So and voila, here we go. Now my subscription is in 1 year now. And yeah, it is legit, guys. So if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below so that you can check it out. And I'll see you again to the next time. Peace out, everybody.